No, it's just. And I have 2 mangga. Yan. So, meron akong 2 mangga, guys. Nakabili ako ulit ng 2 mangga. So, this time, ipapatry ko na talaga kay Mr. Christian. Ito kasi nung mangga mukbang ako, wala siya. So, this time, ipapatry ko na sa kanya. So, kababalik lang namin dito sa bahay. So, I will just going to show you what we have got for Christmas. Yan. So, kahit hindi maano yung ating Christmas, meron kaming mga pinamili. So, mag-unboxing tayo. Mag-unboxing. So, just going to show you what we have got for this Christmas. And I don't know why our light is just too bright. Right, of course, we have this Cadbury animal with Fredo. This is for my Mr. Christian.
That's a traditional.
So traditional things for him, and I got carrots, and I have got crumpets. We have got cheese. We have got, what is this we had? Antipasto. Antipasto.
Antipasta.
And we have this 24 pigs in blanket. My goodness, I got blanket. The pigs have blanket. And I'm not allowed to show you the things because that is something special. And we have this balsamic vinegar crisps, or we call it chips. And I got this dip mix, which has guacamole, sour cream and chive, hot salsa, and nachos cheese. That's only 1 bag, guys. I have another 3 bags. And we have these panos and guacamole. We have 10 pork honey tinkerol. Sweetheart! We have raspberry. Sorry guys for the light. See, light. We got some lights because it's already evening. And I got these penguin chocolates. Sweetheart! I am filming. I got a copyright again in a minute. Pork's egg roll. Of course, guys. Every time I'm doing filming, Mr. Christian's doing that in purpose. Mixed olives with feta, Greek feta. No, it's just. And I have 2 mangga. Yan. So, meron akong 2 mangga, guys. Nakabili ako ulit ng 2 mangga. So, this time, ipapatry ko na talaga kay Mr. Christian. Ito kasi nung mangga mukbang ako, wala siya. So, this time, ipapatry ko na sa kanya.
And we got banana, which I still have some banana here. But this is only for tomorrow. We have this roasting potatoes. Sorry guys, I need to close the door. Hi! I need to close the door, guys, because you know why? He's watching now, and every time I'm doing some filming and he's watching or he's listening radio, I always get a copyright, so I always get frustrated to do that he's doing this. But yes, I got these roasted mixed vegetable, chunky Mediterranean vegetables that we got. And those are reduced price, guys. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are reduced items because my mister like to get some reduced items. That's what we got. And I have next here. Alright, so we have this lemon drizzle biscuit. Get more of that biscuit, so I'm just gonna put in there. And I have another reduced here. And then what is this? I think it's similar to this one. To this falafels and guacamole. They are the same. Just a falafel without the guacamole. milk. We have this Pringles, cheese and onion. And we have this orange and mango juice. And of course, we have this apple and raspberry fruit blend. This is 4 bottle, guys. So this is all what we have got. And I don't know exactly how much Mr. Christian's paid for it. And I have 3 items that I'm not allowed to show you in this shopping, guys. Because there's something you will know. Once I will upload this video, you will find out what is the 3 items that I never show you into this video. Because that is really, really can't get into this video. So that is private. It's not private, but yeah, but that is a different video. I will put that in a different video next time. So this is only what we have got for Christmas, which I have already got what we have got in here. I'll show you guys. I got this from a different, no. And also I got this one, Sherry Trifle. So we have also this one, Sherry Trifle. I put in that first. And then I got this from a different grocery store. So I have got pork shoulder joint and beef roasting joint. So we will not having turkey, guys, because we both are not, we'll eat turkey, but we both not fun in turkey. So I got pork, and he liked roasting beef, and I like roasting pork. So there you go. I got pork and beef at the same time. Okay, so that's what we have got. So there you go, guys. Now we look at this. So everything, this is what we have got for Christmas. Dalawa lang kami, guys, pero tingnan nyo naman. Yan yung napapala ng ano. It's, I think our Christmas would be fun kasi this is our first Christmas in the house. And at the same time, what should I say? This is our first Christmas in the house. We are not supposed to be in here. In the first place, we are supposed to be in Burnham. But because of, of what happened, everything was changed and we can't go anywhere. So we will be staying here and celebrating Christmas together instead. That's what happened. And now I have something as well in here. I have bacon, I have ham, and I have some cheese, I have eggs in the fridge. But we are not having that, guys. Now, so I will put all together with all the cheese and stuff. Yeah. So as you can see, guys, our fridge will be filled of food. Like we will not eating anymore. We got a lot of food now. We won't get starved at all. And I think I don't have space for that one yet. That is twist. And start to putting things, everything. That will be for Christmas. That will be for Christmas. And that will be also for Christmas. And I don't know what, that's also things for Christmas. Yeah. Cheese and things on. So this is also going to the fridge. And also that cheese. Here and there. So this one, it's gonna go there. And most of the bread that we bought, guys, I will leaving, think that's gonna go in the freezer, except this one. Yeah, I'm just leaving everything in the freezer. So we like actually to get, oh no. Do you know, guys, what we forgot to get? But anyway, I will be going to the shop again tomorrow to get some stuff as well. I forgot to get some frozen fish. But yes, I think I need to do something with all this bread before I put it in the fridge, guys. I just needed to put them in this kind of bag. So I don't like it to make a mess in my freezer. So I need to put them in a bag like this. But because Mr. Christian likes to getting some reduced items, guys, and this is also one of his enjoyment. He's doing actually this once a week to fulfill of what he wants, to get some reduced item. Yeah, just setting up. And you know, guys, it's fine in here because the weather here is always cold, so it's not really easy. Whatever you will buy, it's not easily spoiled because of the weather. It's always cold. Even you will keeping it outside, not putting in the fridge, it's fine. And it takes longer to spoil. That's how things is. And there you go. We have now put everything in a plastic bag. I need to do that, guys. But this one, I need a bigger bag. I think I have this bigger Ziploc bag that I usually use for my big bread. Everything's gonna go in the freezer now because I still have some bread in a bread box. So I just, anything else that's gonna go in the fridge. I think the freezer, that's it. We have all these things in the freezer. And
Okay, so in this video now ay shopping haul and at the same time fridge tour tayo. So ito na guys yung ating mga ano ngayon, o diba? Mayaman kami ngayon. Ngayon lang guys yan na marami kaming laman sa ref kasi nga but usually kasi malapit naman kami sa mga grocery store, hindi kami talaga namimili ng mga ganito karami everyday. So hindi lang naipusal ano guys. Yan. Ito, meron din kaming extra butter doon sa likod. So, dalawa yung butter namin. And I have all these things in item on the bottom. Ito, yung pinaka-dessert namin guys. Kasi parehas kaming may ayaw ng fruit pudding. Kaya yan yung kinuha namin. Sherry trifle. And I got some apple there. And I got this. Dito ko siya nilagay guys. Kasi minsan nag-ice dito sa part na to. Kaya dito ko siya nilagay. And then I have butter. I have short pastry and crust pastry in there. Yan. And I got some apple. Diyan ko na nilalagay yung apple ko guys. That's fine. Kasi inuhugasan ko naman. And then this is our vegetable section. Tignan nyo naman kami guys. I like vegetable. Kaya lagi vegetable, salad, ganyan. Stir-fried vegetable. Lagi kami yan. And of course we got milk. Yan, we are good. Mga ano namin guys. Yan. And on the bottom, sara na natin to guys. Bago umiyak. Bago magingay. And this one, so ito yung aming freezer. Ayan. Ito yung laman niya. Marami kaming mga soup. Ayan. Mga ganitong soup. Coriander carrots. Kasi mahilig si Mr. Christian ng mga soup. Yan, meron kami yan. Reduced item din. Ayan, nilagay ko dyan. And then we have their sausage. Vegetable mix, and we have also more sausage, reduced item, lahat yung mga reduced item na yan. So, nilalagay ko agad sa freezer, guys. Kung kailangan namin, then saka ko na lang nilalabas. So, I had got, most on dito, bread, fish, ganyan, ice cream. May ice cream kami kahit winter, guys. May ice cream kami. And I got this frozen piece, and I think I need more frozen piece. So, tomorrow when I will be going to the shop, I think I needed to buy more. And I have bread. That's all the bread that we have got. So I have, this is the same. And that is one also. So we have 4 types of bread. And I have these bagels. I like bagels guys. And I have that and also reduced item. But because I have what I have in the fridge, I have the crumpet. So I don't need to pull that out yet from the freezer. So yeah. Okay, that's it for our shopping haul and fridge store, guys. So, yun yung mga pinamili namin for the day, for Christmas. Yung Christmas handa namin, of course, hindi mawawala sa aming dalawa ito. Kasi parehas kaming, actually, nahawaan na ako sa ganito, guys. Hindi naman talaga ako palamunin, lalo na sa mga chocolate, mga ano. Pero ngayon, as in, hindi ko na rin napipigilan yung sarili ko na kumain ng mga ganito. Kasi nga, ang aking mister, to be honest guys, he like to eat. He really like to eat. And yes, but we eating a lot of vegetable and fruits as well. So that's it for on this video. So dito na magtatapos ang ating Christmas grocery haul and fridge tour. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, and of course, wag niyong kalimutang ipindutin ang ating bell button para notify kung may mga bago tayong video. And of course, hindi ito mawawala, o diba? Sa mga hindi pa nakapanood sa video kong mukbang, mango mukbang, ay ito na guys, bumili na naman ako. So abangan nyo kasi pakainin natin si Mr. Christian ng mango with alamang na may sili. Yan. So, thank you so much guys for watching. Until in my next vlog. Bye!